Hey guys, my name is Mohammad Amir Haider Rizvi and welcome to Tech Unax. So, in this video today I'm going to show you how to create AI images without any sign up or login needed or any type of money. It is completely free. So, let's get started. First thing, go to my channel, click on here, subscribe. So, you are ready. Let's go start. Okay, so let's go to google.com google.com and search for CRAIYOYON and click on enter. Okay, so here we will see this website crayon.com. So click on this first website. Okay, so let it load. So now you can see that the website has loaded. So now let's generate a photo. So let's create one photo. Uh, a cute fox taking a photo, taking a nap, taking a nap in front of many cameras. So now click here, draw now. So first let me show you this website. So you can create here pro illustrations, that is pro one. Click here V for auto, V for photo. You can see how which creates what photo. V V for drawing, V for vector, V3 art, V3 photo, V3 drawing, V3 none. And you can see you can select the size here. So I'll select the size for 3. I don't want sun. Okay, I don't want moon. Huh, I know. Okay, so click here, draw now. So you can see the AI is creating our photos for free without any type of sign up or login. So it will be generating 4 photos. So we can choose what's best for us. Let it load, let it load, let it load. So our photos have been generated and we can see how beautiful photos AI has created for us without any type of sign up or money needed. So I like this one. Okay. So I like this one. So if you want to create this type of photo you can see the prompt here. A clever fox finds an unusual yet cozy spot dozing off amidst a collection of waiting cameras. Okay, so now, okay, so how to download this photo? Let's click here, 3 dots, and you can draw more, remove background, share, report. So now let's for downloading this video, right click this photo, click here copy image, and you can save image as you want, wherever desktop or image. So you can see the photos are beautiful. So tha- so these are the photos AI generated us, and this is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.